come down to the heat.
It's warm down here, yes.
Or
Lovely.
it's positively boiling.
23 degrees.
No, 23.1.
Oh, the 0.1 is important.
Oh, it's all important.
So important. Right, okay.
Well,
I don't know. You were looking intently at my
No,
my list of destructions.
Oh,
no, I'm just chewing licorice.
Oh, which flavour have you got?
I can't remember, but it's lovely.
chocolate one.
No,
Yeah,
it's not chocolate.
Oh, you didn't have that one?
No,
It looked quite blonde when I saw it earlier. Was it that one?
it's licorice in the middle.
Whatever one you picked, Elena,
It's
it was
lovely.
delicious. Anyway, are you ready?
Mm.
1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! Is he tickling you again?
What?
What is he like?
Did you tickle Mother again?
Yes, he did.
Oh, Dad, that's just mean.
Ah, did.
Okay, so they've been out at Bridge and Art. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And
Correct.
then we're doing the calendars very late in the day. So number 7's there.
Lovely. Big one. Oh, Langley's Distilled London Gin.
There we go. Very nice. How was the Sing gin you had yesterday?
Yes, it was very pleasant.
That's good.
Very pleasant.
Dad's reading his story. Okay.
So
7.
Oh,
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
does that
Feels
feel
like a
exciting?
key ring, I think.
No, it's a buttony.
No, I don't think it's buttons. It's also very well sellotaped.
Oh.
You were correct.
Yeah,
They feel like very different, but oh, they're pretty.
Aren't they pretty? Your colour too.
Yeah, they're lovely. Thank you very much.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah. They're very weighty as well. I like those. No, they're not yours.
No, I'm just feeling how heavy they are. You said they were very well. They're pearly, aren't they? They're
Yeah.
lovely.
Very
And they've got
pretty.
a-
Little divot in them as
Yeah.
well. I like those. Very nice. I've left my phone round here again.
This one is all about Santa Claus' estranged family.
Oh, Santa Claus has an estranged family?
Well, they're all mean. They don't like Christmas. They don't like board games. You know, they don't like puddings and all that kind of stuff.
What, Father Christmas's family?
Well, that's what it says here.
Oh, that's very rude.
Okay,
Father
well,
Christmas.
it's there, number
Yeah.
7.
And we should find mannequins.
Oh,
Sounds interesting.
oh, there's lots. Oh, there's little. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, lots of little figures.
And then, oh, there's a riddle card and an ID card. And, oh, it's like a portrait gallery. Oh, there's a puppy. It's a very odd looking puppy.
Yeah, nice puppy.
Oh, and there's numbers.
There's a puppy.
Oh, very cute.
And
Oh,
a
there's
cat.
There's numbers everywhere.
There's a cat.
And, oh, there's holes in the floor where I think we have to put all the people.
Yep, probably.
There's a Max.
There's a Max.
Black cat.
Avoid.
Yeah, left, up, right, whatever that might mean.
I've got all the people and a little Max, and there's the puppy. And yeah, I think we've got to stick them in the holes on the floor, but how and why I haven't worked out yet.
She's at the
fiddly.
back. 904.
No, well, the first one's wrong.
Okay, 1,
No,
2.
yes.
Okay,
So
so
who's that?
that's, we need to keep these because we're having.
Ah.
They're the. Don't mind us. We can.
I can see you. Very good.
I don't know where my pen is yet again.
Where's mine?
Here we go. Oh, thank you. So we're going to go and make some dinner now, right?
We are.
Are we having duck or salmon?
Oh, well, you won't have salmon, it's in the freezer.
So duck
So you're
it
having
is.
duck.
Exciting. So
I'm going to light the fire.
okay,
Oh, lovely.
I'm going to come up with you guys. For
All
a
right.
bit. I'm not finished. I'm like literally halfway. I'm going to get this
That's
top finished.
pretty.
It is, yeah.
Lovely material.
Yes, you've got two of the same in
Oh,
burgundy.
it's
They're
those
silk
scarves.
yes.
And what are you making with them?
A top.
So I could do that too.
I think we
Can we,
ought to. Yes, no, sorry, we're distracted. Let's. Mother, pay attention. Let's do one thing at a time.
I'm
I'm a sandwich filling.
Yeah, okay.
We're going to go and eat, and I will give you a kitten update right now as well. A quick kitten update this morning because I'm just about to head out the door. They are very grateful that I have put the yellow blanket in the front room on the sofa. Izzy has cracked an eyelid, but Max is completely sparko. Oh no, we've got some purring. Can we get some Izzy purring? No Izzy purring. Oh. Okay, I have to go do stuff. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it, but she is busily making biscuits and purring her little head off. You know you're a weirdo, right? Good. Good morning, lovely peeps. I'm so used to saying that when I start waffling at you that I forgot we've already said good morning. I am filming out of order again today, if you haven't been able to tell. Mum is a Anna chaplain and she is the coordinator for the Isle of Wight, so she has a quarterly meeting which happened to fall this morning, so she was out the door very bright and early. Then Mum and Dad are going out for bridge and art club this afternoon, so they are going to come home and you will probably get another live gin tasting and some calendar goodness, but you've seen all that already because filming out of order. So I've come down today. I actually fully intended to put makeup on and get ready and film some proper videos today, but I'm just not feeling it. It's one of those, it's just lack of spoons basically. I also gave myself a 2-day head start this Vlogmas because I wanted to just give myself a buffer just in case I needed it, and I have used one of those buffer days yesterday, so I am only a day ahead now. That's fine because I was kind of expecting to need it at least once in the month, and it is here and I've used it and it's good, so I still have a 1-day buffer. It will be fine. I am going to make a few things today for my hair accessories video. I have talked about this a little bit to the Patreon and YouTube members, but I wanted to include it in the zero waste project because it seemed like a really good idea of using up some of the scraps. I have made a bunch of hair accessories from the scraps from that fabric, but I didn't have enough to do the last, well, I didn't have enough to do the last one that I wanted to do, and then the other one needs to be made out of a stretch fabric. So I've got those two to make still, and they'll be really quick project, so I'm going to get that done today, and then tomorrow is going to be makeup and filming day, and I've got a bunch of videos that I want to try and do tomorrow. That is the plan. So I'm going to get on and get the pieces of fabric cut out that I need to, and I have got plenty of scraps to do that with for fabric that's sitting just over there, so that should be very easy to do and get those made, and that's not going to take me very long at all. And I think what I want to do after that is actually try and work through some of the tops. I've got 3 shirts and a cowl neck top cut out, and I think I want to go through and try and get as many of those done as possible. In my head they're small little tops, so they shouldn't take too long, but I think they're going to take, I think I should be able to do them in 2 days if I really knuckle down and get it done. Should be able to do that. I'm going to start waffling at you and get on and get those things done, and then I will report back and let you know how I have gotten on later. Well, that was the quickest thing I've ever done. I'm not sure if I love it though. I think what this would be really good for is if you were making a makeup bag or like a toiletries bag for a friend and you wanted to put some little bits and pieces inside of it. You could make one of these. I mean, this literally took me 5 minutes. You could literally put one of these inside for being able to kind of like put on to keep your hair out of your face. I mean, I do not look good without my glasses on, but yeah, to keep your hair out of your face when you're doing your makeup. But this is actually just a little bit wide. I do really like the twist, and it's a really easy twist to do. I don't know. I don't think I like this one. I'm glad I tried it because, like I said, it literally took 5 minutes, but it's not, like, it's too big at the back. Yeah, it's like, it's, oh, I mean, fabulous hair, but it's kind of too big at the back to not be worn over your ears. I mean, it's super easy to make, and I've actually made it an inch less wide than they recommend, and I still think it's a little too wide, and I did that because I didn't have a wide enough strip of fabric. I'm not sure about this one. I thought I was gonna love it. It's like this twisted headband one. I thought I was gonna love this as well, and I'm not a huge fan of this one either. Yeah, it's another one that for it to sit properly on my head, I would have weird little fringe bits coming out. I really thought I was gonna love this one more than I do, and I think if I made it again, I would maybe make it the elastic just an inch longer, and I could always take this elastic off and remake a case and make it an inch longer, but I don't think I love it enough to do that. I think the kind of hair accessories that I like are the ones that kind of sit on the back of my head and are not like super in my face. That, I mean, the giant bow, it's a giant bow, but you know, it's on the back of my head, I can't see it, so yeah, I don't know. It's kind of making me think maybe I don't want to do the other one that I was thinking about. It's like a plaited head tie, which again, it's a headband, and I don't think I like headbands, so I think I'm going to stop here, which is kind of good. I'm glad I did this one first, and you know, it's not a bad thing, and it will be really, because I do have a very boring black elasticated headband like this to keep my hair out of my face when I'm taking my makeup off or doing my skincare or putting makeup on. So, and it's completely washable. This is completely it was a cotton elastane, it's a cotton jersey. Yeah, I don't think I would actually wear this one out of the house, but I tried, and like I said, I don't think I'm going to do the plaited one because given that it's a headband, I don't think I'm going to like it. That was really quick, kind of like literally, like I said, it took me 5 minutes to make that. Really, literally 2 seams and that was it. So tops, I'm going to move on and start working on some tops.
6.5 hours later.
I've had dinner and I have also finished my top, which I am in love with. I'm so pleased that I managed to get 2 nearly identical scarves from the Silk Route. I think they've come out, or it's come out really well. I don't think there's a slight difference in the background green for the, I don't know if you can see, there's a slight kind of like variance in the green, but I think it's close enough that I don't think it matters too much, and yeah, I just really like it. I haven't tried it on yet, but I know this top fits me, and I think you can just about see as well. I have made a scrunchie, only one this time because everything was cut out on a single layer because there was very little of the silk. And I was also trying to be somewhat mindful of the placement of the little gold details, so I couldn't get any better placement than the 2 that I've got on the back, but the front one is going straight down the middle, which I think is a good idea. I think I like that. Very pleased with that, and it's little scrunchie, and it's going to go so well with the blue suiting that I've got that's left over from the Anaconda and Thesis collection. And Thesis, yes, I am going to finish that collection. I am going to finish all the blue pieces, but I did, like, I think I've mentioned, well, I've definitely mentioned to the Patreon peeps, but I need to get like 10 meters of lining for it. I stupidly didn't order it during their 50% off sale, which was very silly of me, so I'm waiting for another really good sale, which usually comes at the end of the year, beginning of next year. So I will grab myself 10 meters of the lining for that, which will mean that I can work on all of the blue pieces for the Anthesis collection. But I got all the yellow and, well, apart from the jacket, that's still sitting there waiting to be done, but I got all the yellow and green and cream pieces done, so I'm pleased with that. But yeah, I really like this. This is very cool. It is 7:15. I still have to cut out all the interfacing for the little cropped shirts, so I'm debating whether I start sewing the black cat faces shirt together until I get to a point where I have to cut out the interfacing and then go back up, or if I go back up now and just be a little bit lazy. Because I've still got to do the thing that I'm not talking about, which I apparently still manage to talk about every single day regardless of the fact that I'm not supposed to be talking about it. I don't know. Maybe I'll have a look. I'll have a look at the shirt and see how I feel. So I will be back in either a moment with a partially finished shirt or in a couple of seconds with a goodbye. So let's see what happens. I carried on. So I've got the majority of the shirt sewn together, and I've got the majority of the lining sewn together except for where it joins to the facing, because I need to cut out interfacing for that. But I did get off my backside and cut out the interfacing for the collar, which when it's on the garment will sit like that. So yeah, I think this is going to be a really cute shirt. The only reason I cut this out is actually because Catherine and I had agreed to do a fabric swap, and Catherine sent me some French terry with little cats on it, and I showed her this one and I just said, oh, I can send you the like little bits that I have after I've cut the shirt out, and she's like, yes, perfect, because she wanted enough for pocket linings and things like that. And I cut this out and I didn't have enough, so I ended up having to cut out another cat fabric I have, so I'm going to end up with 2 cat shirts by the end of this month, but that's not a bad thing. I like both of them. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling at you because my voice is going, as you can probably hear, and I am tired. It is exactly 9 o'clock, so it's been a long day, but it's been a really fun day. I have enjoyed myself down here. So I will see you all tomorrow for more of the same, and fingers crossed a couple of finished, oh no, I'm going to film tomorrow, didn't I? Maybe a finished shirt, definitely some filming with makeup on. I shall see you then. Bye!